let's do problem number 11 of exercise 1.1. So what they have asked, a relation is given for a set. Okay, a set क्या है? So there is a plane in which all possible points are listed. Okay, so that is set A. R is defined as crossed pair P, Q, where P और Q के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है? Distance of the point P from the origin is same as the distance of point Q from the origin. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि मान लो कि आप इसको origin बोल दो, okay? And if I am considering that point P is located x distance away from the origin, then there is another point Q also which is also located at distance x, right? Okay, so this is what they want to say, right? So let us prove that whether it is reflexive or not, whether it is symmetric or not, or whether it is transitive or not, and then after we will tell that is it equivalence or not, right? अगर ये तीनों satisfy हो जाते हैं, then we can say that yes, it is equivalence relation also, right? So let us start with the first one. We are doing it for reflexive. So point P, we are considering point P. Okay, so obviously the point P lies in a set A. It belongs to A. Okay, if I will select a crossed pair PP, okay, so these 2 points are at the same distance from the origin, right? So clearly I can write that clearly PP belongs to R as point P is at same distance to the same point P, या फिर आप लिखो itself, ठीक है, itself, ठीक है. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Hence it is R is reflexive. हो गया, right? Now for second point I can consider 2 points P and Q. Okay, so let us say we have 2 points P and Q, okay, which are at same distance from origin, ठीक है. So what I can write is P point Q is there, that will belongs to R, right? Okay, but it implies that इसका reverse भी तो सही है, right? Point P and Q are at the same distance. इसका मतलब क्या है कि Q and P are also at the same distance, so I can write that Q and P also belongs to R, right? Q and P also belongs to R. For all PQ belongs to A. Hence I can say that it is a symmetric relation. And if I see the third one, okay, which is a transitive, okay, so in which I will consider 3 points. Okay, so I will also consider, let us say I will take R which is also x distance away. Okay, so that is PQ belongs to R, sorry, PQ and QR belongs to R, right? So what I can say from this P, Q and R, R वैसे I should change the notation, right? हम यहाँ पे R नहीं ले सकते हैं, P, Q, Z ले लेते हैं, ठीक है? So Q, Z, okay, so Z ले लेते हैं, right? So P, Q and Z, okay, are same distance away from origin, ठीक है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि P and Z की भी तो पेयर बन सकती है और वो भी रिलेशन R में इंक्लूड होनी चाहिए. Hence I can say that this relation is transitive. ये हो गया पार्ट 1. पार्ट 2 भी है इसमें, देखते हैं पार्ट 2 में क्या है, राइट? सो पार्ट 2 है, उसमें ऐसा बोला गया है कि फर्दर शो दैट द सेट ऑफ ऑल पॉइंट्स आर रिलेटेड टू अ पॉइंट P which is not equals to 0 0 is the circle passing through the P with origin as center. तो सबसे पहले क्या बोला है कि पॉइंट P ऐसी कोऑर्डिनेट्स पे है जो ओरिजिन पे नहीं है, मतलब आप P को एग्जैक्टली ओरिजिन पे सुपर इंपोज नहीं कर सकते हो. फाइन. सो वी हैव क्रिएटेड P ओवर हियर. हमारा पॉइंट P है वो मान लो कि यहाँ पे है, राइट. देन आफ्टर दे सेड दैट set of all points related to a point P not equals to 0 0 is the circle. तो इसी डिस्टेंस वाले सारे पॉइंट्स को हमें कंसीडर करना है, ओरिजिन से x डिस्टेंस वाले सारे पॉइंट्स को. सो सारे पॉइंट्स का मतलब है ये, राइट, एंड दिस विल हैव अ सर्कल. सो व्हाट आई शुड राइट ओवर हियर, every point which is x distance away from the origin will create circle. ठीक है ना. So this is what you can write. Okay. So yeah, that's it for 11. Okay.